Right, Dad Random here, and I am really excited about this one. This is something from Betafpv called the Pavo 20 Pro, and it is a little 3S bird, but it is sporting an 03 system. Initial flights on the test were really good, so I'm really excited to fly this thing. So I'm going to be flying it ELRS, and we will be flying it with the 03 goggles. So we're gonna just quickly get this set up. Shouldn't take more than a minute. This stuff is real easy to set up. But yeah, I've been really excited. Bought it, so you get the quad for about $100. I got extra frame. I got a bunch of other things with it to make it a little bit, you know, nice and set up, you know, so it's all ready to go. Got a little bit, gosh, I got sweaty earlier, so I'm just getting these goggles on. So let's get them turned on. I've been running with the goggle defoggers, but once we get going, or get set up, it should just take a minute. So I'm pretty much ready to go. Just getting the controller out. But yeah, I've been very excited, and one of the you know, with the coming of the Neo by DJI, there's been a lot of discussion as to, you know, especially about you know, about the possibility of flying acro, you know, with the Neo. Now this is 3S, and the problem with flying acro with a 2S bird is you really do not have really enough power. You don't. But you know, I figured I'd get a 20 or a 2-inch and get used to flying the Neo. So the Neo should be very close to this. This camera should be better than the Neos. So all right, so we're going all right. So yeah, this is the this is about the same size as the Neo, and we're going to be recording 4K 30 footage. We're going to take off right here. We're not going to mess around. We're going to take off right in front of you. And do we have, we don't have anything because we have to get some power. So let's power it up. So there's a little pusher, and we're flying with these are 750s, 3S, and they're high voltage. And all of that has been very, very cool. They've been very capable. So about the only thing that's a problem with these little birds like this is the fact that when you take off, you almost need to put something down, I don't know, to balance it out. I don't know, my glasses right there. I don't know. Gosh almighty. That's about the only problem I see. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna wreck really expensive glasses. All right, we're just gonna take off. All right, here we go. Yes, yeah, it's beautiful out. We're sideways. This thing does a great job flying in horizontally. There's a lot of bugs I can see. Isn't that amazing? Guys, the DJI 03 system is just the best. It is just so good. We can't go too far away. We can't go too far away. All right, let's switch up. Yeah, we have an hour and yeah, we got to give it a little bit of a. We have a little bit of a rip session now. This is what I hear the Neo is supposed to be like, but I don't know, man. This is pretty dang cool. We are in air mode now, and yeah, we don't want to get into any trees because we'll never see this again if we get into a tree. So we have to be careful. We have to be careful. We have to be accurate, I guess. That's what I'm saying. If I want to be accurate, then why am I flying a quad for the first time in the trees? But yeah, these little batteries are giving us. I don't want to get on the trail too much. This is a time where a lot of people like to walk, so we get away from them. But look at that. Look how pretty that is. Now we got to go up. Let's go up so we don't lose our signal. Look at how beautiful it is. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, guys, yeah. This sucker is sub 250, and it is just amazing. And that's why you fly it. You fly sub 250 to fly sub 250. But yeah, what a great little flyer. What are we at? 377. So yeah, this is my third flight with this. This is not my first flight. I'm going to be honest with you. And and it's not too loud. I don't think it's too nasty. I don't think it gives us I don't think it's too obnoxious. You know, can we do a little bit of light looping? Sure. Bring it back with the little left-hand loop. There we go. And let's see if we can go backwards. Oh yeah, no problem. So, what a great little bird. I'd say the only disadvantage is we're about 3 minutes in our flight. Is you probably get a 4-minute flight out of this if I start to really like milk it out right now. But yeah, this is just a lot of fun. I'm gonna get 2 really fun flights out of this. And we're going pretty quick, aren't we? I'm not as accurate with this one. I need to trust it because it is so small. There we go. Get through a couple things there. It is so small. You got to give it a break, you know. But there's a little low flying speed. And get close to some things. Yeah, we're 4 minutes in. Yeah, so it's a 4-minute bird. A 750 with getting 4 minutes. And you get this nice accurate flight. I definitely could lower the camera and slow it down. I would say with this one, you'd maybe want to go a little slower, maybe. I'm just having too much fun. Having too much fun going fast right now. And just being accurate. We're not getting a battery warning yet, so let's go down the Emperor's Row here. Death Star. Some places to work on our capability to fly accurately. We're not getting a battery warning yet. Slow it down. We got a lady with a dog there. Go through the park a little bit. Yeah, she is very accurate. We're very accurate. And we still don't have a battery warning yet. We're not in a battery warning quite yet. But wow, you can see how much control we've had in that flight. And we're at 353. Yeah, we're milking it. We're at 524. 5 minutes. Pavo 20 Pro. Pavo 20 Pro. She is nice. There's our low battery warning. So we'll bring it back and we'll change us to a little flatter there. I probably could have landed in manual. I like the spot because I can just land right nicely in the grass in front of me. This does have a, right over here, come on, bring it in a little closer. Land now, I will. Just let it drop into the grass there. Let's get it unplugged real quick. But yeah, that's the Pavo 20. Guys, I recommend that. These 20 inchers, not only are they FAA legal, they're fun and they're safe. You know, we got no props that can hurt anybody. We've got real low, you know, small, cheap batteries. So there's just too much of an advantage to fly these really small, really agile quadcopters, especially when you get the video quality you get out of that DJI Air unit. That is kind of the icing on the cake. They're worth every bit of what, $179 right now. Basically, the Air unit costs more than the quad itself. At dead random, all right. Dead random for the Pavo 20. Right, there's Betafpv Pavo 20, and that is a ripper. All right, totally recommend that later, dead random. Have a good one, bye.